Hi, today I'm running the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device successfully less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.